Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on. You can add 1, 2, or all 3 to your Flavors of the Month to have it go even further, or to add the items that you really love using, like pattern paper and embellishments, or if you like the cardstock. So let's take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive in the add-on kits. Starting with your cardstock add-on, you'll receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you can see how well they coordinate with the patterned papers. So this is great if you like the cardstock for your backgrounds or matting your photos, or if you like to do digital or manual die cutting for embellishments. Lots of options for your cardstock. So starting with Echo Park, It's Your Birthday, you're going to get 1 sheet of Heidi and 2 sheets of Bubbles. And then Photo Play Paper, Be Mine, you'll receive 1 sheet of Grapefruit and 2 sheets of Olive. For the Photo Play Paper, Day at the Park, you'll receive a sheet of Red Rock and 2 sheets of Mustard. And for your Simple Stories, My Valentine, you're going to get 1 sheet of Jetstream and 2 sheets of Passionate. Lots of colors to add to your collections. For the patterned paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these repeat from what's in the Flavors of the Month. It's additional patterned papers. So you receive 3 patterned papers in the Flavors of the Month. You do the add-on, you'll now have 5 patterned papers for each one of the collections. So if you're like me and you love your patterned paper, then you definitely want to get this added. Starting with Echo Park, It's Your Birthday, we have this paper that has all of the little party animals on the pink. The back is this turquoisey green. This one is called Girl Party Animals. We have this paper that has all of the birthday phrases on it. The back are all of the large circles and all the different colors in this collection. This one is called Birthday Girl Words. For the Be Mine Photo Play Paper, we have the 4x6 cut apart here. This paper is called Follow Your Heart. And the back is a pink with a red design on it. This paper called Love Letter has 4 6x6 of the patterned papers. So you get lots of different options of the patterned paper with this sheet. The back has all of the letters on the pink background. For Day at the Park from Photo Play Paper, we have this one called So Much Fun, and it is border strips. We have the film strip up here with Mickey had, some just different colors with castles, cameras, Mickey's hands, stars, cupcakes, the words, and the balloons. So lots of options in the border strips. Then the background is a circle dot. This one called Mouse House, which has all of the different Disney icons on that light blue. And the back is the white polka dot on red. Our final collection, Simple Stories, My Valentine. We have this beautiful paper that's perfect just the way it is. You really don't have to do anything. It kind of has all of the mixed media look on it already. So you can just add a photo and your journaling and be done. This one is called Just a Crush. The back is the beautiful pink roses and then a hand-drawn rose along with a little bee. And this paper that has all the doily hearts. The back has Kiss, Adorable, all the words in red with pink little hearts, and this one is called Heart to Heart. So another look at the patterned paper add-on. So a lot of options there. Next, for the embellishment add-on. So for Day at the Park from Photo Play, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. We have this scalloped border down here, some word labels, tags, and all of the fun icons from Disney. And Simple Stories, My Valentine, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have this large little border piece that's already embellished and layered up for you, some word labels, some large words for titles, and then smaller ones you could use for subtitles. Another little piece here that's just a little embellishment cluster already done for you. So that is really great. They've really done a lot of work for you. And then these super sweet little vintage icons. For the It's Your Birthday from Echo Park, you're going to get the full package of ephemera pieces. So lots of options there with banners and tags. There are 33 die cut pieces in that. And then half a pack of the puffy stickers. So these will go with your Valentine collections as well. Super fun. So that is a look at the 3 add-on kits. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Come join us on the Facebook group and the blog for challenges and to see what the design team's creating with their kits. And be sure to check out some of these other videos here for other kits available in the store, as well as we have lots of other individual items that you can purchase in the store and have shipped along with your kits. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.